So, good morning, students. We have a very small scene, a very brief scene in Act 4, Scene 2. It's actually, it develops the comedy of Ring one step further. Okay, the ring scene, it is the completion of the ring scene. Not completion actually, how they are planning to, how Portia and Nerissa are planning to play a trick with their husbands. And Nerissa plays the same trick as used by Portia to take away from Graziano the ring, which she had already given him at the time of their marriage. And then Portia and Nerissa hasten back to Belmont in the scene. They are anticipating the fun they are going to have, accusing their husbands for giving away their ring, which was the symbol of their commitment to one another, symbol of their marriage or symbol of their love for each other. And it's very brief scene. I can't understand why at all it is made as a scene. But however, Shakespeare has made it as a separate scene. So let us go through it, children. Very short scene, okay. Like here we have only Portia and Nerissa, and then they are in the disguised dress themselves. And we have Graziano coming in between with the message of, with the ring of Bassanio, okay. And Portia and Nerissa disguised as before. They are in Venice itself in a street. Now Portia is telling to Nerissa, enquire the Jew's house out, give him this deed and let him sign it, or we will away tonight and be a day before our husband's home. This deed will be welcome to Lorenzo. So Portia is telling to Nerissa that she should find out the house of Shylock, because in the earlier scene Shylock had left the court without writing the deed because he was unwell. And now here Portia and the court had agreed that he can sign the deed at home. Now Portia has gotten ready with the deed and asking Nerissa to find out Shylock's house to get the deed signed. Now who comes there? Graziano. Why Graziano was sent by Bassanio at the request of Antonio to give the ring to Portia. Okay, actually they do not know, since she was disguised as the doctor of law. They were actually forced, Bassanio was forced in a way emotionally by Antonio to give the ring as a reward, as a token of love for the service rendered by Dr. Bellario. Now here Graziano comes. He says, fair sir, you are well overtaken. My lord Bassanio, upon more advice, hath sent you here this ring, and doth entreat your company at dinner. Now what message does he bring? He says, whatever you had asked, it is granted by Bassanio at the request, at the advice of Antonio. Bassanio is willing to give the ring as a gift after reconsideration of the matter. He has sent this ring to you. And also not only the ring, they have Bassanio and Antonio has invited Portia and Nerissa for dinner tonight in their house. To this Portia says, that cannot be. His ring I do accept most thankfully. Okay, I cannot be part of the dinner, but I accept most thankfully the ring which Bassanio has sent. And so I pray you tell him furthermore, I pray you show my youth old Shylock's house. Now he is telling, okay, I am grateful to you for giving me the ring, but also do me a favor that show Nerissa, the youth, the direction to Shylock's house. That will I do. So Graziano agreed, I will be showing the way to Shylock's house. Sir, I would speak with you. Now Nerissa is planning a trick. What is she doing? She took aside Portia and said, I'll see if I can get my husband's ring, which I did make him swear to keep forever. Nerissa sensed that Portia has played the trick so well and could get the ring back from Bassanio, and she is ready to play trick with her husband, the Lord, and her master. Now Nerissa cannot keep quiet. She also wanted to play the same trick with her husband, and so she said, let me also try to get the ring away from Graziano. And Portia says, aside to Nerissa, thou may, I warrant, we shall have all the swearing. Here what is thou warrant? You will be able to. So she says, I agree that you will be able to do. I am sure that you will be able to do. You will be able to persuade Graziano from giving the ring. Here the old swearing what? It's a great amount of swearing and protesting from them, isn't it? The old is used here colloquially to denote almost anything whatever. Anything whatever. Here the old means anything whatever happens. That they will give the rings away to men, but we will outface them and outswear them too. Now they wanted to oppose their husbands and swear more loudly that they are not as committed as they are. Okay, they wanted to accuse their husbands for giving away the commitment which they have made with their wives. Now in aloud, Portia says, away, make haste, thou knowest where I will tarry. Now she says, you know where I will wait, now go and get the deed signed by Shylock. Nerissa, come, good sir, will you show me to this house? So Nerissa, while undertaking her errand to Shylock's house, she now will play the trick with Graziano and get the ring from him. So this is the only this is a very short scene. At the same time, it has its importance to show the ring play, how it comes to an end, how these young ladies playing the trick with their husbands. It's all in order to bring little bit of fun to the audience, to relax them. Okay, and then already they are relaxed with the trial scene, the end of the trial scene, and this add more comedy to the play. So children, we shall complete the scene here only, and then we start with the act 5 scene 1, where that is the last and the conclusion of the play, and it is all an atmosphere of peace and joy, where all these lovers come together, and there is peace, joy, and the sharing of all the fun. Okay, so we will have it tomorrow. So for today, good luck, God bless you.